have this wooden Santa hat. It's 12 inches high, 11 inches wide, and it is self-standing. I started by painting it in Snow Owl by Wise Owl. I'm using my S50 Klingon brush. And I gave the entire project a full coat so it had a good base. Once dry, I took some sandpaper, about 150 grit, and just gave it a good sanding. And made sure I removed all the sanding debris. This is a sheet of an iron-on fabric. Here's the instructions if you're going to be needing it. And it's in a gingham pattern. And once I made my plan on laying it out, you want to make sure that your lines are straight. I began ironing it on. Now, I do believe the instructions say to put something between the iron and the fabric. I'm known to not really follow too many instructions, so make sure you read the instructions, as we are going to have a kit available, and the instructions give the correct way on how to apply it. Once attached, I took a razor blade. Now, make sure you have a sharp blade in your X-Acto knife. Mine was a little dull, but outside of that, it came off quite easily. Turning it around just helps you see exactly where you need to cut. And then once I had my entire fabric cut, I did hit it again with an iron, and I did do the protection here, as I really wanted to make sure it was set. And then I'm just cleaning up down around the base of the hat here. It looks really cute just like this, but of course I didn't stop there. I found this ribbon, I believe at Michael's, and it's made out of knit. Now, this is important. You want to start your glue at the top of the rim of the hat and start your fabric there, your ribbon. Because once that's set, and you want to make sure your cord is straight, it kind of has a stretch to it, so you can kind of pull it down if you need to make it fit all the way to the bottom of the hat. And then I just made sure that I wrapped around the rim, as you don't want your ribbon to unravel. So I made sure I glued that down quite well. And then I just cut off any excess fabric. Now I took some felt. One whole sheet didn't just cover the back of the hat, but if I took it in sections, I was able to cover the back. And then I just knew that that ribbon, that knit ribbon was protected and it would not unravel on me. So what I did is I just used a chalk pencil to trace my shape and then cut out what I needed. And one sheet of felt covered the entire back. I just did have to piece it. And now we just have a clean look from the back. Not that you're going to see it. I just wanted to really cover the edges of that knit. So really, if you just wanted to put that there, you could. But I decided to go all the way up to make it have a complete look. Be patient. I'm just trying to show everything, as some people will be purchasing a kit from me, and I want them to see, you know, everything from start to finish the best they can to help them, guide them in instructions. And if you are interested in a kit, you're going to go to chalkitupfancy.com. So now I took this galvanized Believe sign and I used the glue on the thicker parts of each letter and glued it to the base of the hat on my knit ribbon. I have this little silver bell that I put some red ribbon in and tied a bow. Then I had this little greenery. It's lamb's ear with some glitter, and I just glued it to the right corner of the bottom of the hat. And there you go. Now you have this cute little Santa hat that says Believe, that you can sit on a mantle or a shelf that can fit in with your Christmas decor. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. And if you're interested in the kit, we do have them while supplies last. chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.